There are some 1,100 children at this school here in Cardiff, a school in the twilight zone between the older high school tradition and full comprehensive status, and all the pupils will be affected one way or another by Mr. Wilson's statements yesterday. These children are in the 14-plus age group. They are not in the GCE stream, and at present their future employment prospects are not too bright. It's children like these who could easily become just more numbers on the unemployment figures next Easter or summer, and an extension of the school leaving age would have given the late developers amongst them another chance. Now, why do you want to leave school?
Because I want to go and earn my living, and I feel that I want money to buy things that I want and not depending on my parents all the time.
Do you feel you're losing any opportunities by not having to stay at school for another 2 years?
Well, in a way I do, and in a way I'm not. But if there was a secretarial course in the school, I'd stay on. Because when I left this school and done the secretarial course, I would have been able to go straight into a job.
I think you learn too many subjects that aren't particularly of any use to you when you're in school. And some of them are come into use in everyday life, but not all of them. You want to learn more about life in school and about history and biology. They're all right if you're going to take a job up that includes them, but if not, they're no use really.
Quite a lot of parents are worried about school leavers like you going into dead-end jobs. Now, what sort of work are you looking for?
Well, I'd like to go into the Air Force because I'm in the cadets now, and I've seen how the Air Force works, and I like the way it works.
Are you at all worried about the future in the Royal Air Force?
No, not worried about that, because they got stations all over the world, haven't they, really?
2 more years at school would have been much good to me, because, well, I've been through it all once. My parents left it up to me to find my job and earn my own living. If I can't, I'll go back to school for another year.
What have you done about it so far?
Well, I've asked one person for a job, and he said he might be able to get me in.
But you've got nothing definite yet, and you're hoping to leave school next summer.
Yes.
So is this then how all of you feel, that you'd like to leave school as soon as possible?
Yes.
In addition, these children will no longer enjoy their morning milk break. Now, how do they feel about it? What do you think of no more milk at school?
Well, I think it should be stopped. I think we should have the milk. I think it's essential, really, for growing up, for when we grow up.
Are you going to miss your morning milk?
Well, I will sometimes. I sometimes have it, but quite often I don't have it. So I think I will a bit, but not very much.
Now, if you're not going to have any more milk free, do you think your parents would be prepared to pay for it?
Yes, I think my parents would be prepared to pay for it because I have it regularly every morning.
How about you?
I think they would if I wanted it a lot, yes.
And how about you?
Definitely.
And you?
I don't think so. My mum grumbles enough about me drinking too much milk at home anyway, so I don't think she'd be prepared to pay for it now.
If your parents wouldn't be prepared to pay for it, do you think you'd be prepared to pay for it out of your pocket money? Now, how about you?
Well, no, I wouldn't pay for it because I don't often get it. But when I do get it, I like it. So it is necessary, I think, because it helps you get through the school day.
How about you? Would you pay for it out of your own pocket money?
Yes, I pay for it out of my own pocket money, providing that it was about threepence a bottle.
Now, what do you girls think?
I'd pay, providing it was no more than 6pence. I think it's all wrong. I think we should have free milk, and I don't think the parents should have to pay for it at all.